seeing mind-boggling plans for you. And for this, I would like to invite the Global Shapers Kolkata Hub on the stage.
Hi everyone. So we are representing Global Shapers Kolkata Hub, and this is a community which is headquartered in Geneva. It is the youth wing of the World Economic Forum. It was founded by Professor Klaus Schwab in 2011, and our hub, which is the local Kolkata chapter, has also been started in 2011 only. So it's been almost 10 years that we have been functional in the city of Kolkata. So it's a great pride for us that an international organization is functioning and is very active in this city. So I would like to introduce our hub members. I am the curator. Abhishek is the vice curator of the hub, and he is also a Forbes 30 under 30 entrepreneur. His startup also won the national award for startups in 2002, just last year. Guys, for any startup tips, you are supposed to approach him. His startup is in the agri-tech business, where they lend loans to farmers. And more you can understand from him. We have Sandeep, who is currently in college and sorry? Yeah, he's in first year college, and he is also... Sorry, go ahead.
Hi, I'm Sandeep, and I am the former head of design and founding member at House of Griffin, where we have launched India's first fashion show in Metaverse, which was hosted in Delhi, and it was a two-day event where we showcased the first label from Papa Don't Preach collection in the Metaverse, and it was the first fashion label which was entering in Metaverse for the first time. So yeah, that was one of the pleasant surprise from me, and yeah, that's it.
It's a pleasant surprise for us as well. Thank you, Sandeep. Over to Shoparna.
Hi, this is Shopon this side. Nothing much to say, but I do music for a living and also an entrepreneur.
Hi, I'm Rinda Ridwania, and I'm also a shaper at Global Shapers Kolkata Hub. Today, acting as the MC. And yeah, it's a lovely day, and it's been a lovely experience so far. And I've met such amazing people over here. So yeah, absolutely grateful. Thank you.
Thank you, Brinda. So yes, that is us, and it's been great to be here at Parivartan and engage with the organizers. They have been our dear friends since the last few years, and we've collaborated on a lot of events and done workshops together, and we look forward to more collaborations in future. And we are looking forward to Garbage Free India. Hula Deck has always been a partner, and we have this time we are also planning to collaborate with Gram Samriddhi Foundation, which is here doing their campaign on Ek Ped Desh Ke Naam. So guys, go there and give your donations to plant one tree. So at least one tree, I must say. So yeah, I mean, there is a lot of good stuff and great stuff that is going around, along with a lot of nice shopping and food. So coming to the quiz, which is the interesting part. So the agenda of Global Shapers is around 3 or 4 things, which is climate and sustainability, education and empowerment, and gender and diversity. So these are the agendas of the World Economic Forum, on which our hub also conducts projects and activities in the local community. So I would give it to Abhishek to speak about one of our initiatives, which is called Vidya Way, which is on education. So over to Abhishek.
Yeah, so so we'll walk and we'll talk. So basically, one of these initiatives that we are doing is Vidya Way. What we did with this, we started last year on the World Environment Day. Once, so the first thing that we did there was we went to a school and we gave a lot of awareness about plastic, and eco pollution there. See the plastic movement. Then we went to a school in Howrah, in Andhra, and we participated in a science exhibition there, where we showcased an infrared kind of a product, which gave a lot of awareness to the students there. And very recently, our culmination event was in Kolkata in Sundarbans, where we taught to 74 students from 8th to 12th. The knowledge, the ideas and awareness of hygiene and menstruation. Then we taught them financial literacy, social emotional learning. So you see, overall, Vidya Way, as the name also suggests, is to make way for these students to get into all these areas where the early awareness is not given, and that becomes very important for them at an early age. So that's what we have been doing in the education segment. Over to Shobanu for talking about the orange window.
Yeah, so here's an interesting thing that's orange window. So basically what orange window is, it's a vertical that does workshops and awareness campaigns on menstrual hygiene, gender and diversity. We see a lot over here. Over to Sandeep.
Hi, I'm Sandeep. So, being one of the shapers, we also work on the environment side. So, from World Economic Forum, we got a grant of 3,000 GSK, and we are working to promote sustainability and empowering the projects which are dominating in this space.
Alright, so now we are going to start with the quiz. By the way, this is not just for the people who are live with us on Instagram, but for everyone here who are live and present. So I hope you can focus a bit here. Guys, everyone, please take a look. We left the stage and came here specifically so that we can be a part of your experience rather than the other way around. So we are going to conduct a quiz. Let's see how aware you are about all these, what kind of awareness you have regarding the areas that we spoke about. Right? It's gender, it's equality, it's about the climate. You're here in this at Parivartan today. You must already be so much into this arena, into this area, this domain. So let us see that how aware you are and how much you can answer the questions, no matter what age you are or what background you have. We are going to start with question from Sandeep.
Hi everyone, so the first question is, what of which is not considered naturally occurring greenhouse gases? First option is chlorofluorocarbons, methane, and CO2 and nitrogenous oxide.
Probably the first one to answer will be
There, we have someone who's going to reply. Come here.
Okay, we have one. Yes.
Give her the mic. Oh, here. One of you hold this.
Your answer is CO2, right? Yeah, so the correct answer is CO2. So
Thank
the next
you.
question is,
We.
So yes, she answered correctly. So would you like to tell us about what you're doing? Something about. Alright, so congratulations, the first answer for the day. So we would love to give you a bookmark from Global Shapers Hub. We hope you remember us, we hope you remember the kind of awareness we are growing, and you also could become a part of it if you're under the age of 27, right? So
Yes,
there's
correct.
a limit to that. Alright, next question.
Thank you.
the next question is, what is the definition of gender? Okay, so what is the definition of gender? The first option is a social construct, biological characteristics, both A and B, neither A and not B.
So, is there only one person?
Guys, what is the definition of gender? Options. The first two options, what are they?
A social contract,
Social construct.
biological characteristics, both A and B.
Come inside. You're not being heard at all. The mic is not working.
Anyone knows about gender, the true definition of gender? I hope you can hear us. Anyone from here on the stalls? You've set up beautiful stalls today. Let's get
Abhishek.
some beautiful answers in. Yeah. Gender. Give the option.
Gender.
Gender. Very easy option.
I do not understand the question.
Yeah, please tell the question
What is
again.
the definition of gender?
Can you repeat the question?
Yes. So the first option.
Loud on the mic, loud. Yeah, go.
So the question is, what is the definition of gender?
I believe gender is something which
Give her the
is
mic.
your identity in society.
So,
It's not coming till here, I think. But okay, you can speak. Yeah.
So it all it's connected with your identity, how you identify yourself in the society.
So social construct, right? Yeah. And is that the correct answer?
Yes.
Yes, wonderful, wonderful. So we are getting correct answers, guys, and people are taking up all the bookmarks that we have, right? Sandeep will give a bookmark to her.
to her daughter maybe, so that when she is 18 she can be a shaper. Thank you so much.
Wonderful. Thank you so much for participating. Next question.
एक सेकंड, लेट्स लुक एट द माइक फर्स्ट. इसको पॉज करें, इसको बंद कर दो, इसको बंद कर दो. हो गया लाइव.